How to fix Roblox encounter an unrecoverable error. To fix it, so you have to follow a couple of these steps. What you want to do is, first of all, you want to completely close Roblox. Right click on the mouse anywhere at the bottom, go to task manager, and here if you look at Roblox, right click on the mouse, click on end task. Once you've done it, so now then restart your PC and right click on the mouse and then right click or click on run as an administrator to Roblox Player Beta and see whether that has solved your issue or not. Despite this, if the issue still persists on, what next you want to do is you simply want to right click on the mouse on your Roblox, go to open file location. Next you want to go ahead and locate Roblox Player Beta, right click on the mouse, click on properties, then you want to go ahead and click on compatibility. Make sure run this in a compatibility mode is selected, as well as run this program as an administrator selected. Click the apply button, click on the OK button. Now then close this tab, locate Roblox player and then run this program as an administrator. This should be able to fix. However, if the issue still persists, you also want to try uninstalling or removing any sort of VPN or extension or antivirus. So for the antivirus, you could go ahead and use virus and threat protections, and here you want to disable or you want to quickly turn off real-time protections. Once you do it, so this should be able to help. Now try launching the Roblox and see that will be able to solve your issue. However, if the issue still persists on, then the last alternative is to completely uninstall Roblox. So for that, you want to open up your control panel, locate uninstall a program, go to Roblox, right click on the mouse, click on uninstall and close this tab, go to the browser and then try playing any of these experience and it's gonna be automatically downloaded. This should be able to help. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.